beautifully lined eggs. Look at that. All right, so that was, how many eggs is that? Like 7 eggs, 8 eggs. I have my half and half. You can definitely use just regular milk, whole milk, but I like half and half because it makes it nice and creamy. All right, so I'm gonna grab my blender and I'm gonna start to blend. Beautiful. All right, so once that's blended, now let's fill her up all the way to the top. We love this recipe because it's all in this bread. No dishes. All right, so here's my choice of cheese, the meltiest meltiness of all time. And I'm gonna put a good amount, but not all the way to the top because we are gonna add a little more and then top it off after. So you have your cheese, spread out evenly. And now your choice of toppings. This is all just preference, so I'm gonna grab my mushrooms and kind of drop some on there, all around, spreading it out. Let me see, I think, yeah, that's enough. Beautiful. I have my cooked bacon. You can definitely do bacon bits. I just had the bacon and I had the time, so got some fresh bacon, dropping it all that rest on top. No bacon gets left behind. All right, drop those in there too because we need that in there. Okay, once that's set, I'm gonna go back with my cheese and I'm going to top that off generously because the breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So get nice and hearty breakfast. All right, beautiful. All right, once that's set, but it's not set yet because I think it is more cheese. I'm gonna press that in, make sure that we have enough. Gorgeous. Now I have some Italian seasoning and I'm gonna sprinkle that right on top. A little bit of salt. And last but not least, a little bit of black pepper. Boom. Just like that, we're gonna now pop this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes at 350, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Look at that.
Ooh, wow.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's give it a turn. I'm gonna cut right down the middle.
Okay.
Show you guys. Oh, you hear that? Crunch. Yes. Oh, yes.
Ooh. Wow, let me see. Oh my God.
Look at that.
Wow.
Beautiful scrambled egg omelet thing. I just almost want to write like that, bite into it.
You
But
can do that if you want.
should I? No, I'm going to just be a lady and give myself a nice piece here. Okay. Look at the crumbs. I love crummy bread. All right, I think I'm going to eat this one right there. See that?